Hello everybody, Bridget here. Welcome to my channel. Today it's just going to be a very simple mutton curry. As you know, my ingredients are always very simple, and this is the same thing. We're going to cook it with tomatoes to get a little gravy. So you could use the same recipe for either goat meat curry or a lamb curry or mutton curry or a beef curry. And I can tell you that the curry tastes really good. So come, let's get started. So what you need is 1 kilo of good mutton or goat meat, then 2 chopped onions, 2 chopped tomatoes and 2 chopped green chillies. Okay, so then you could add 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri Chillie powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons vinegar and salt to taste. Now mix the mutton with all these ingredients and keep aside. So you heat oil in a pan and you start frying your onions. Okay, fry till golden brown. Once they are golden brown, you add in the marinated meat and you mix well. Okay, keep frying till the pieces become firm and starts leaving out all the water. You could increase the heat a little at this stage so that the meat begins to leave water. Then you could add all your tomatoes, the chopped tomatoes, and keep cooking on medium heat till the tomatoes turn soft. Let it fry for some time and you begin to see the gravy. Now you add 3 cups of water and bring to boil. Then you cover with the lid and cook on medium heat till the meat is tender, or what you could do is pressure cook for 15 or 20 minutes. So once the pressure dies down, your mutton curry is ready. So if you like this video, do like and share it, and please subscribe to my YouTube